don't mind me. My hair look, well, mad, but that's okay. Come on here looking crazy. I just not too long got up and I just figured, say, I'm gonna start wrapping gifts. Last night hubby, well, he opened one of his gifts already, an early Christmas gift. The year, sorry for the lighting as well. I just got up and I was like, you know what, let me come and start vlogging. This is the 1 year. Let me tell you, I am not feeling like I'm not feeling this season. I don't know what it is. It's just, you know, Christmas in a pandemic, but I don't know if it has anything to do with that because and even though I'm not feeling Christmas this year, and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to do anything like, but I was like, because of my kids, I still want to see their face. They wake up and be happy on Christmas Day, and regardless if they get gifts or not, I know they would be happy regardless, because you know, my kids love when I'm home. The fact that they've been able to have me be home, and not just because I was I was in school, but the fact that I'm home now as opposing to when I was working, because when I was working like some crazy hours, and they're like, Mom, why can't you have time off and just be home? They love to spend time with me. So it's just nice to be home with them and stuff like that. I got them their Christmas calendars. It's a tradition that we do every year, and from they're little, I've always done that tradition. What are your guys' Christmas tradition this time of year? What do you guys generally do? So the kids have usually get their Christmas calendars, their stockings. They usually get to open their stockings the night before. I haven't even bought the stocking gifts them yet. But I don't even know if I'm doing all that. Like, it's just the vibes are not there. There's no decoration. There's just nothing. I'm not even putting up a Christmas tree. And that's to show no lights, no nothing. But just because of the kids, I'm like, you know what? Let me go out, get their gifts. And that's the least I could do. I tell everybody I don't want nothing. You know, I just, as long as me and my family are together, I'm good. And just me being able to see the smile on my kids' face and like on my husband's face when they get their gifts, that's enough for me. That's enough for me this year. I'm not too fussy. I'm not really a fussy person. And yeah, even though your girl know I like a gift, I do like things, but this year I'm just not feeling it. But I was like, you know what, not because I'm not feeling, I shouldn't at least go out, buy the kids them their gifts and stuff like that, so they can still get up Christmas morning, open their gift. Christmas Eve, we still have a tradition. They get to open up one gift. So it's either they get to open up one small gift or they open up their Christmas stocking. And that's like another tradition I've been doing ever since they were small. Where I say tell them I dare them knee as the old time saying usually go. And even when they didn't even know how to open gifts, I always had that tradition with my kids, you know. And man, it's just so crazy. So yeah, I guess this will definitely be a Christmas to remember. But I don't know if I'm gonna run out later or tomorrow, and I just have a few things to pick up, so I definitely going to go get that done. And yeah, and the kids yeah, they have their calendar, so they'll have their calendar for countdown. But and yeah, and I'm gonna miss not doing vlogmas, but you know, that's okay. Maybe next year. So maybe next year I will definitely do vlogmas, because I wanted to do a new intro, not the one that we had from last year. And if you guys have not checked out our vlogmas from last year or the year before, then definitely check it out. So we've done vlogmas for 2 years. Yeah, our first vlogmas was in 2018, so definitely check out that one. That's when we just started getting into like having more videos out there. And then last year, we had a surprise for the kids. So last year we went to Jamaica for Christmas. So that was, you know, a nice vlogmas. I enjoyed it, you know, from being in the cold, coming out, Like I was sick for like a good 3 weeks, and my voice was even gone, and I still was vlogging for you guys through Vlogmas last year, you know, because it is my time of year, and I was so happy just to get away from this place, get out of this cold country. Like, oh, the sun, like me, my melanin skin, I need it, like definitely need it. It's a must. But anyways, I've been talking on here for a good how much minutes now, so yeah, gonna get this place tidied up. Oh, I am actually getting ready. I'm gonna go out and get some Christmas shopping done. I seen that, well, I sat down, made a list, and saw a few things that I wanted to get for hubby and some other stuff for the kids. So I'm actually currently about to go finish getting dressed and head out. I'm actually supposed to have a quick meeting right now, so I'm just waiting for that meeting, and then I'm going to head out and go do that. So yeah, I guess I will take you guys along with me. I'll see you guys when I am out shopping. All right, so I just finished, got my makeup done, and I am ready to head out. I am waiting on Miss Faith because I need her help to go get these gifts. I just can't get her stuff. Some of her stuff. I got some of her stuff and I got some of them wrapped. But the stuff that I got to get for her, I just can't get it until another day. So yeah, so this will be my second time going out to go Christmas shopping. So let's go Christmas shopping, guys. Let's go. Me and Mario started to do some, but I couldn't get stuff for him. I fiat money that Memphis. Off I'm bid. So how it look like it drop out of your pocket?
I swear it's off of her bed. I swear it's off of her bed. Or whatever it came off of.
Give my mask. Give it back.
It's on your bed. It fell.
Right,
I stepped on her bed and it fell.
Step on the bed and it fell.
I didn't take it. Step on her bed. And it fell.
I said I put it in my.
Why would I go out to my way to steal $2?
Because I broke.
You were just trying to pick it up from right there, or?
See? Why would I go to my way to steal $2?
I'm just waiting on Faith to finish do her hair. Yes, I am.
I'm gonna go to the barber.
Do you want me to turn the camera on you so let people see you how you look?
Okay.
Hurry up and go do your hair, please, so we can get going. And I just tied my hair down for a second. I was actually trying to do my edges, so we'll see how that works. But my voice.
We need some gel.
What kind of skin out there in that skin out in our room? Listen, I will talk to you guys in a bit. 3 hours later, guys, I am still waiting on Faith. But I got my coat on, so I am ready to head out. I don't know what time we're gonna be back, but we're gonna go out. I gotta go get some wrapping paper. I have a few stores that I got to go to, so let's go. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. It's gonna be hectic out there, but we got our mask, hand sanitizer, and we are good to go. And I got the little pocket ones, so safety first. Let's go. Only how much hours later, and we're finally leaving.
It was kind of hot.
And we're finally leaving. Mario, what I said? Oh, Mario, what I said? We're in Puss in Boots. Mario. Because we're both wearing high boots. Okay, so we are finally.
Yeah, my toes look so good and skinny. I'm broad your phone.
Oh gosh. I can't believe you're wearing my shoes. Huh?
That's a good thing.
How is it a good thing?
See, now you don't gotta buy me shoes, but you still do.
What do you mean I don't gonna buy your shoes? Who said I want to wear my shoes?
But it makes it easier, mommy.
We're heading out. We'll catch you when we reach in the store. In the store. So, oh, look at this Christmas tree. Holy, that's tall. It's only $400. That's not bad. Look at this tree, guys. Holy moly. We're gonna go here first.
For what? What are we going for?
I gotta get some.
We gotta get skin stuff.
Yeah. We're stuck looking at things. Miss Rissa said she want makeup and other things. Oh,
See,
she
this
has
is what
LOL
they will
stuff.
look like when you get the dolls.
Oh, so just here browsing. Still getting some stuff for the guys them as well, but we're here looking in the bathroom.
Why don't you?
Candles.
Want me to go get one?
Huh?
Let me go get one.
No. I told you, it's just not there. But yeah, I still get excited seeing the stuff. That's what I do. Oh, Faith, we gotta go over there. We gotta go over there, and then I gotta go that way before I make my way to the electronics. So, she said she wanted a book for a book.
Well, what's she gonna do with a book? Don't buy no book. We're saying go read that.
No, not for that. The type of book I was gonna get her is the. Come this way. We're in the toys, in the toy section. Looking, there's just so much stuff. You found what came in the box?
Somebody opened the box.
Oh.
So this is what comes in this box. So you squish, either it cries, it pees, or it spits, and you get like the, I think the how on it, you get the glasses, and the full clothes come separately.
Oh. See how the marketing strategy is a way for them to make money. Oh my god.
This is so. I've never seen this. I've only seen it in a ball.
Even the store, and this one is in here putting down a dance off. Faith, don't hold me. Come on, Faith. Remember what mommy says goes. Is this one? This one's open. This one? Go.
Where?
Well, the woman's coming. It's okay.
Where's
Okay.
open?
Huh? Go
Where?
there. We gotta go get the other stuff. Yeah, go. She's open.
Odie.
There's somebody there. So, I got some stuff. Not bad. And, well, I am waiting on Faith. So, Faith is doing her shopping, but she doesn't want me to come in the store with her. So, she's like, Mom, stay out. Stay in the car. I was like, okay, fine. I guess she doesn't want me to see what. Yeah, I'm proud of my daughter. She making her own coins and she's spending her own coins. She's not asking me for money to buy her siblings or anybody gifts this year. So that's really good. That's really good. She feels so independent, but I always say it's always good to teach your kids independence, right? From such a young age. Whether you have a male child or a female child, it's always good to teach them their independence and teach them not to rely on nobody. And as much as we women, we have our husbands or boyfriends and stuff like that. Yes, it's nice when a man buys our stuff and, but it's good to be independent and have your own. And I believe that, yes, I'm married now, but I've always been independent and I'm married now. And I still don't rely on my husband to buy me things. Like anything I want, I go out there and I could get it myself. But it's nice when he offers, So I always believe in, it's good. Yes, a man should always be the head of the household. Don't get me wrong, for those ladies that I know you want to come out and bash me, But a woman, I believe in women always being independent, no matter what your situation is. It's always good to hold your own. So I am just waiting, and I'm glad, with Faith, teaching her from a young age, to make her own money, and what she makes, she keeps it. So, and just teaching her independence, as in, having her phone, that certain time a month you have phone bill. Got to teach them independence, responsibilities, start at an early age. At least it's not bad outside. It looks depressing. Tell you that much. It would have been nice if the sun was out, be able to see the sunset. Psh, man, it's been a while since I've seen the sunset. It's been a while. What did I just tell you? What is this? I knew this is what. Oh. She's out there getting ice cap. Sanitize, please.
I was being a big person.
Yeah, my girl being all grown up. Okay. Which ones were this one or the last one?
Which one's hurting your bank account or mine?
They all hurt my bank
So,
account. Did a little bit of damage today. Not that much. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's get out of here. Catch you home. Alright, so I just made it home. And me and Faith just ran in the house with the stuff. Mario and he just pulled up outside. And I have the gift. Like, we literally just had to dash everything in the closet. So I'm gonna have to.
oh, look at this. Oh, this woman was nice with her whipped cream.
Yeah, like we literally had to dash everything because he's gonna come in here.
Mommy, Dad's home.
Yeah, I know he's home. yeah, I had ice cap paint. Oh my gosh. So it's crazy busy. Still got a few more stuff to do, but well, the plan is me and Faith we're going to start wrapping some of the gifts. Well, hopefully we can still do it. If he's gonna be busy, then we'll definitely get to go do it. But I'm going to go start dinner now so we can get something to eat. So I'm gonna go and do that just now.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.